Who doesn't like some delicious coconut cake with a custard-y bottom and great roasted flavor on top? Here's how we're making that. First off, you need to separate your eggs. Better use a separate bowl just in case so that the egg whites don't get contaminated. I like using my hands to separate them, but of course you can use eggshells as well, whatever floats your boat. Now whisk your egg whites until they're stiff. You can test that by turning that upside down. It shouldn't slide around. And now we add some sugar to the yolks and give that a quick mix until the color lightens, and then add your vanilla of your choice, be it extract or sugar. Then it is time to pour that melted but cooled off butter, not blazing hot. While mixing, add the flour and a pinch of salt. To give that extra thing, add just a pinch of nutmeg in as well. And now the main star of our event, the shredded coconuts. The final ingredient is the milk that we mix in gradually. Though I'd advise you to use a whisk instead of a hand mixer at this point. Then we take our egg whites and start folding it in. Continue doing that until there are chunks of egg whites floating around. Those chunkies will elevate the coconut within them and make for that amazing roasty flavor, so don't leave them too big, but not too small either. I like them more on the chunkier side, so try out which one works best for you. Pour the dough into your baking tin of choice and off to the oven. Bake this delicious wonder at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 Fahrenheit for about 50 minutes. I just love how the colors gradually turn brown and yummy. Once it has cooled off, just dig in. You can of course garnish this with more coconut or even roasted coconut or coconut sauce, if that's a thing. Up to you. Alright, if you enjoyed this week's recipe, make sure to drop a like and tell us which nuts you like the best in the comments below. Mine are definitely hazelnuts. Thank you for watching till the end and subscribe if you don't want to miss our weekly videos. Have a delicious weekend and see you next Friday.